Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is The Four Magicians. This is one of the stories that the Daemon Vetal told the wise king Vikramaditya. Each story ended with a riddle, and if the king did not answer it, even though he knew the correct answer, Vetal threatened that his head would burst into 1,000 pieces. However, if he answered, Vital would vanish and the king would have to catch him once again. And here in this chapter, you will learn one of the stories that he told to the king and what happened, what is the end of that story. Okay, so let's start reading. Once a man named Krishna Swami lived in the city of Patliputra. He and his wife had 4 sons. However, both Krishna Swami and his wife passed away while the children were still young. Their greedy relatives stripped them out of their property and the boys were left penniless. Since they were young and did not know how to earn a living, they decided to go to their maternal grandfather's house. So what is there up to here that once there was a man, Krishna Swami, and he used to live in a Patliputra. He and his wife, they had 4 sons. There were 4 children. But unfortunately, both Krishna Swami and his wife, they passed away when their children were very young. As they passed away after their death, their relatives, they were very greedy. They made plans and all the property of their children, they were left penniless. They took all the property. As the boys were very young, they don't know how to earn money. So they decided to go their maternal grandfather's house. After that, they reached there after a hard journey only to discover their grandfather was no more. As they reached there, what they come to know? That their grandfather was no more. He was also dead. However, their uncles gave them shelter and the 4 boys continued with their studies. As the month passed, this kind treatment started to wane and they were no longer treated well or given enough food or proper clothes. So what happened? As they started living with their uncles, for some time that all was very good. Everything was okay. But as the months passed, time passed, their uncles also, they started treating them badly. Their study, that was also stopped. They were not getting good food, they were not getting good clothes. So what the boys decided? The boys did not know what to do. One day, as they sat together thinking about how to end this pathetic situation, the eldest brother said, "What shall we do now? We cannot continue to live like this. It seems to me that we should master some skills which will help us to earn a lot of money and be free of our present problems." So what they decided? That they all should learn something. They should learn some skills, and after learning that skills, they can use that skills for earning money, and in this way their problems will be no more. So what they did? All the 4 boys liked this idea and started discussing what kind of knowledge they should master. After some discussion, they decided that it would be best if they acquired magic powers, which would help to bring in a steady income. Steady means continuous. With this plan in mind, each of the brothers set off in a different direction, north, east, south, and west, to earn different magical skills. They planned to meet again at a particular time and place to see what each of them had learned. So what they decided? That they will learn magical skills, and all the 4 brothers went to the different directions, north, east, south, and west, to learn the magical skills. And what they planned? They planned that after some time they will meet at this same place on a particular time, They all have decided this, and by deciding this, they started with their journey. So today we are going to do up to here. Rest we will do in the second part. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.